as Kriti said, we started this company in 2017, and I think less than 7 years later, uh, to be coming for listing was something we had not thought of when we started the company. Um, if we if we look at India and especially the insurance market, our general insurance industry has been growing by about 12 to 14% in the last 10 years. And people like me, and I see one or two faces who have been around for a longer time in insurance and insurance-related journalism. The penetration of general insurance has not really exceeded much beyond 1%. 2000, if I remember correctly, it used to be 0.93%, and now we are talking maybe about 1% only. So going forward, I am personally very bullish about this sector. One, because the growth prospects are good. If India economy continues to grow, and I'm sure it will, I think higher rising incomes per capita income should lead to higher penetration of insurance. And more companies from the general insurance space will get listed. And overall, it's a fairly attractive sort of a place to be. I think at the age of 50, when people start thinking of retirement, I started thinking of doing a startup again. The reason was that I think, as you said, I felt there is a massive potential in India for insurance. And technology was rapidly changing across the world. So during my time, I was working with Allianz in Germany at that time. And one saw different countries, especially in US and in China, what technology was doing to financial services and general insurance companies to do. And with a couple of my colleagues, we started really discussing as to what a new insurance companies could look like. This was more a theoretical discussion to start with, but we fell in love with the idea and decided to start insurance company. Prem of Fairfax was someone I have known for a long time. We had never worked together. But since 2012, every time I'll meet him, he'll say, "You are wasting time with a big company, you should do something on your own. And we'll work together, we'll back you." And had colleagues here in India also. Whenever I would travel here, they will keep telling me that there is an opportunity for a new insurance company. So that was really how this idea of starting Digit actually came around. When we started, I will also say that it's not that we had a big blueprint ready or had put some numbers. I think we felt that there is a space, we had some broad ideas, and really started Digit from that perspective. I'll take you through a short presentation, and then after that I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. So I think in terms of the offer, when we look at, we are offering primary capital of about 1125 crores, and offer for sale is about 5.4 crore shares. The price band is 258 to 272 rupees, and offer opens on 15th of May, closes on 17th May. The details of who is selling shares is in the RHP, but almost 100%, not exactly 100%, offer for sale is happening from the holding company, which is the promoter of the general insurance company. And you see all our bankers here on the dais. Before I speak about this slide, I think in insurance, and all of you know that we have to maintain solvency margin, which is a function of the premium which you write. Equivalent in banks is capital adequacy norm. So this capital which we are raising, 1125 crores, is primarily to beef up the solvency ratio. Minimum solvency ratio is 150%, which insurance companies have to maintain. As of December 31st, we are at about 160. With this capital raise, my sense is that after this, as of 31st May, we should cross 200% in solvency ratio. So that really is the purpose. From a company's perspective, AUM, cash flow, etc., I think we have enough money to invest either in terms of products or tech or anything. This is primarily for solvency margin. Our premium is roughly about 6,680 crores for 9 months. Market share overall is about 3% and market share in motor is about 6%. We almost have all products now in place. We have issued now more than we have more than 4 crore customers now, more than 60,000 partners. Claims settled exceed now 17 lakhs as of December. Our AUM is about 15,000 crore. And I just want to maybe take 30 seconds to explain, and I think most of you would know this, but I think for me, one big learning I was already working at that time in insurance, was reading Warren Buffett's annual letter to shareholders, I think 1996 or 97.